The heart of global capital is now beating to a digital rhythm as Wall Street moves in a singular direction, led by the absolute dominance of Ondo finance. By breaking down the centuries-old gates of traditional finance and bringing $10 trillion worth of premium assets onto the blockchain, Ondo Finance has positioned itself not just as a participant, but as the architect of Wall Street 2.0. We are witnessing a historic pivot where global financial infrastructure is being rewritten under the Ondo name, transforming stagnant paper certificates into 247 liquid digital power. This is the dawn of an era where Ondo Finance stands as the indispensable engine of global capital markets. The trajectory of Ondo Finance over recent months serves as undeniable proof of its status as the most significant investment opportunity in the digital asset space. A pivotal moment occurred on December 5, 2025, when the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) officially closed its multi-year investigation into Ondo Finance without bringing any charges. This was far more than a legal victory. It was a sovereign validation that Ondo's transparent, regulated tokenization model perfectly aligns with the world's most rigorous financial standards. With the regulatory barrier permanently cleared, the world's largest institutional investors received their ultimate green light to flood the Ondo ecosystem with capital. This absolute trust has forged an unbreakable bond between Ondo Finance and the titans of the financial world. Giants like BlackRock, Fidelity, J.P. Morgan, and State Street have integrated Ondo's technology into their very core. Ondo's flagship treasury product, OUSG, now anchors its holdings in BlackRock's Boydell Fund, while Fidelity has selected Ondo's products as a cornerstone for its tokenized money market fund. Simultaneously, J.P. Morgan's Connexes and Chainlink have collaborated with Ondo to achieve scalable cross-chain settlement, further proving that the heart of global banking now beats through Ondo's infrastructure. The data behind this rise is staggering. Throughout 2025, Ondo Finance reported a record-breaking $2 billion in trading volume for tokenized U.S. stocks and ETFs, capturing the largest market share globally. By the end of 2025, Ondo's total value, locked TVL, surged to an all-time high of $1.93 billion, marking its territory as a top 3 player in the real-world asset RWA sector. In the market for yield-bearing stablecoins for non-U.S. investors, Ondo commands a dominant 90% market share, proving it is the preferred choice for anyone seeking safe institutional-grade yield. Looking toward 2026, the expansion of Ondo Finance is accelerating into its most ambitious phase yet. In early 2026, Ondo will launch its tokenized stock and ETF platform on the Solana blockchain, bringing hundreds of U.S. equities to a high-throughput ecosystem. This rollout will utilize Solana's transfer hooks to embed regulatory compliance directly into every token, ensuring automated and seamless secondary trading 24/7/365. Furthermore, Ondo is seeding a new private liquidity fund, SWEEP, with $200 million in partnership with State Street and Galaxy Digital to revolutionize on-chain cash management for institutional investors. Technically, Ondo remains unrivaled as it develops Ondo Chain, a Layer 1 blockchain purpose-built for institutional-grade RWAs. This network is supported by an elite advisory board, including Google Cloud, Franklin Templeton, Morgan Stanley, BNY, and McKinsey. By creating its own dedicated infrastructure, Ondo is ensuring it can handle the quadrillions of dollars in global assets that are destined for the blockchain. Supporting this ecosystem is the $250 million Ondo Catalyst initiative, backed by Pantera Capital, which is currently funding the next generation of tokenized financial applications. The Ondo token itself stands as the critical key to this kingdom, granting holders governance rights over a protocol that determines the movement of billions in assets. As we approach the historic Ondo Summit on February 3, 2026, in New York City, the world's most influential financial leaders from BlackRock, Goldman Sachs, and the DTCC will gather to outline a future where Ondo Finance is the central pillar of the global economies. Ondo Finance has already cleared the mountains of regulation, secured the most powerful partners in history, and built the technology that the world's elite now rely on. There is no longer a need to watch the noise of short-term markets. When the destination is a $100 trillion transformation of global infrastructure, Ondo Finance is the architect of this new financial empire, and its expansion into every major asset class is just beginning. By the time the sun rises on 2026, Ondo Finance will be the standard by which all global wealth is measured and traded. This is the most brilliant moment to witness the majestic transition of capital into the digital era, led by the only name that has truly captured the heart of Wall Street, Ondo Finance.